Alright guys, welcome back. Your next lesson is a little bit more complicated, but really basically the same thing. Now sometimes instead of the LUA prompt, you want to make a program that runs whether you're touching the computer or not. And that's pretty simple to do. You right click just like with the LUA prompt, and now you'll type in edit and whatever you want to name your program. So let's say you want to call this one opener. So you start that and it brings up a brand new programmer, calls it opener. And this is a little bit different than LUA in that when you put a command into an LUA prompt, it just automatically runs it. But with a program, you've got to say, this is what I want you to do. So you type in do, and then you type in your instructions. So we want to open up the redstone.set output, as you'll remember. The door is on the right-hand side, so we'll say right. And we want the current to flow through it and open the door, so we'll say true. We'll give ourselves a few seconds to get in there. So what sleep does is it tells the computer just do nothing for the next 5 seconds and wait and just wait. So we'll tell it to wait for 5 seconds, and then we don't want our door gaping open. We don't want animals or bugs getting in. And so we'll go back behind ourselves and close it. Oops, that's a little early. Right, however that's spelled. False, however that's spelled. And now that we've done this, we just want it to open and close the door. Rest for that 5 seconds, but since we told it to do something, we now have to tell it to stop doing something. So you say do all of these things, and when those are all the things you want it to do in that series, you type end. So do this, 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 and then end. So when you're finished editing your program, you hit Control down there in the lower left or lower right corner of your keyboard, and you hit save. That means that now Opener is a program on your computer. You can go over here to run, so you hit Control and right once to go to run, and it runs your program for you. Alright, and let's make sure it closes. Great, our program worked. Now, whenever you're all done editing, you go to exit after hitting Control, and then you can type in the name of that program. It runs it, and when it's over, it goes right back to where it was. Guys, you just wrote your first program. That's literally all it takes. Hopefully you're seeing that this is not as hard as everyone makes it out to be. We'll see you in a little bit. Thanks, guys.